Today, in this video, we'll show you how to connect directly your phone calls to your Attio CRM so that you can get your summaries and get started with automations on Attio. How does it work? It's as easy as call intelligence. You just need to install the Allô app on your desktop or on your mobile phone. After each call, Allô will generate a summary and a transcript of the call, and all the call data is automatically synced to Attio. Now, how to set it up? So first you go on the App Store, then you look for Allô app. Here it is. You download it, great. So let's create an account. What kind of conversation will you have in Allô? It will be business call. What is your business called? Novlini. What's your name? Giacomo. What industry do you work in? Marketing. What's your current role? Business owner. Will you use Allô with your team? Yes. What CRM is your company using? So we are using Attio. So I can select new phone number. Let's take this one. Let's get started. I can now connect my Allô to the Attio CRM. So let's start. Okay, I'll select this one. It's now connected. Perfect, all my contacts are synced in the Allô app. Every time I will have a call, it will be recorded, summarized, and then synced in Attio. Now let's have a demo. Hello, how can I help you?
I'm Pierre from the mobile first company.
Yeah, for sure. Maybe we can schedule already a little meeting. Would you be available tomorrow, for example, at 10 a.m.?
Yeah, for sure. 10 a.m. could fit for me with pleasure.
Great. Well, I can send you a little follow-up email. Awesome. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, Pierre.
Yeah, see you. Have a nice day, Giacomo. Bye-bye.
Bye. Perfect. So the call is done. I have it here on my Allô app. I can see the summary, the transcript. Everything is synced to my Attio CRM. So I can see a new note appearing in Pierre Calvez's contact page on Attio directly. I can also see it here, of course, on my desktop. And it's super easy. I didn't need to write any note during the call. Everything is already recorded and summarized directly in my Attio CRM, ready for a follow-up. If you want to implement the same workflow, don't hesitate. Everything is in the description, and you can also contact us at Novlini.